Okay, first I'm going to walk through the assembly of the KOWA Spoke cutter. And it does come packaged with this handy manual. And if you can read Japanese, you'll have no problem whatsoever. Therefore, I'm going to do a video to make it a little easier. But it does come with a nice manual, and the images are fairly self-explanatory. So first thing we'll do is get a little bit close up here. And first thing I'll do is I'll put in the spoke measuring rod. The only thing you need to put this machine together is a set of Allen wrenches. So over here on the side you'll find a place with two Allen head bolts, and this is where our measuring stick goes. Put those in. Nothing needs to be super tight, just as if you're working on any other bicycle type of equipment. Okay, measuring rule is in place, and now we'll put the drop hanger in. Like this. Notice the spoke hook is pointing directly over the cutter receptacle. That takes care of that. Okay, next thing we'll do is put in the control rods. The first one is the actual cutter. I mean, not cutter, but the roller, thread roller. The rod goes in with the non-threaded side. Drops in and has a little grub screw on the back to anchor it. And that's that. To put the interconnect in for the thread roller, we have a push pin. Line it up, push it in. Now you can verify, yay, up and down. The other rod is for the spoke cutter, same thing, non-threaded end. You want to get a picture of this, just goes right into the cutter arm. Tighten the grub screw, and we're in action. Now we have our handy little red knobs. I love the color. Screw those on in 3 places. Knobs are attached. The final thing is the clamp actuator. And just tighten that up a little bit, and it's done. Now, one thing to notice about this, it has a ratchet. So, when you're, we'll get into this when I do an actual spoke, but when you're tightening it down, you're able to position the lever so it doesn't interfere with the spoke. And that's it. This is a fully assembled spoke cutter. It took me about 5 minutes to do. Okay, next up, we'll actually cut and thread a spoke.